Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance somebody's face on CapCut PC. Before I start, she does not need to have her face enhanced, but I'm just showing you guys just in case you want it. Go to enhance here, so click the video first and then go to enhance here. Select face. You can smooth out the person's face here, brighten it, whiten their teeth, and delete their smile lines, and also delete their dark circles. So like adjust it to the right. There's also facial beauty, which I think shapes their like face here. So shape their face to make it like more like to make it smaller. I don't know what this does. Oh, it's like down here. And this one's for cheekbone. This one's like for chin. I don't know what this is for. Oh, this one's for that bit. There's also for eyes if you want big eyes. There's also for nose if you want smaller nose. You can also adjust the height and the root of it too. Also there's mouth. You can like adjust the size here if you want it to be bigger. That's just a little bit weird. And there's also eyebrow height. There's also makeup here. You can add in like a set of makeup. Wow, she does not look like her beautiful self. There's eyelashes if you want it just eyelashes. There's also eyeshadow, lipstick. You can also adjust it here, by the way, and also like the opacity of the lipstick. But yeah, I'm just going to remove those. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!